Hey guys, welcome to our channel CAD Solution. Today we will be learning about the rip commands in Creo software. So today we have this model. It's looks simple, but it's not. If you want to check, just give it a try. Me myself has tried this model 2 to 3 times in the Creo software. So let's check the solution. Click new file, define the part name. I am defining here rip command. Click OK. Select the template here, MMNS part solid. If you want to define description and model by as per your requirement, you can define. Else, you can leave it blank also. Click OK. Let's turn on the axis and planes here. So this is the drawing we have to model today. Select front plane. Use extrude command. Sketch a circle of 14 mm. Click OK and extrude it for length of 35 mm. Symmetric about the right plane. Again select the right plane. Extrude another circle as shown, having radius 7.5 mm. Extrude it 19 mm, symmetric to the side plane. Now we have to define the ribs between these two bosses or two cylinders. Take a line and simply make it tangent to the bottom cylinder. Repeat the process to the next side also. Project the circle. Trim the unwanted material. Define the thickness of rib. It will be symmetric with the side plane, and the first rib is done. Again take a rib command, repeat the same process. Select line command and make it tangent to the upper cylinder. Project the upper cylinder outer boundary and trim the unwanted areas. Define the thickness of rib and click OK. Now we have to go for holes. So select axis and the face. Define the length and the diameter of holes. Repeat the same process for upper cylinder. Define diameter and define the length. If not, then you can select throughout option. We turn off the planes and axis. So this is what our solution looks like. Just give it a try. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.